It's time now for better food, and the warmer weather means there's a lot more fresh produce to enjoy.
James O'Shea from the West Street Grill is showing us how to make a tasty Napa cabbage salad with a lime dressing. 917, 917, 917.
17 is a good number.
17 was the number of Napa cabbage at Pathmark when I worked there. It was the code, and I used to think it was such an exotic vegetable.
Right. Well, I think at restaurants you see this more and more. It's like a trend to have these Napa cabbage salads and like that. But at home you're like, what would I do with this? So you're going to show us a wonderful way we can really make this enjoyable
it's
at home.
It's an everyday salad in Asia. And California, of course, has been growing Napa cabbage, which is a super mild cabbage, almost like a lettuce. So I'm doing a Vietnamese influenced salad, not necessarily true to any recipe.
So here's the Napa. It's the whiter cabbage.
And you just cut it up because it comes in a big head.
That's it, right? This is what it looks like.
Cut it in half and then just shred it with a knife, as small as you can make it. That's all the sort.
Very good.
So we have the Napa in here, some carrots. This is cucumbers.
Baby cucumbers you used, I guess.
Yeah, I used the Armenian ones, the little ones, yes.
Okay.
That's correct. Then some radish, cut two ways.
I love radish.
Yeah, radish. And then you have, which makes it really Asian, where you have the mint. And Thai basil, which is this one here. This is Thai basil.
This is what
it's a sweet, very strong basil. It's really good. And
different than the basil we use for Italian
it's very,
cooking?
very sweet.
Okay.
It's called Thai sweet.
Delicious.
And this is cilantro, so I'll just give those a little mix up here like this, like that. I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to make the dressing. And the dressing is going to be just some fresh squeezed lime juice. Yep, some shallots. Agave nectar that you put in, just a little bit of that.
And where do you get agave nectar?
Any grocery store.
Any grocery store.
Any grocery store.
Really? Near the honey? In the honey section?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Seen it at Stop and Shop.
And then a little bit of Bragg's unfiltered apple cider vinegar.
Bragg's, okay.
They have that at Stop and Shop or the regular stores?
They have at Stop and Shop. They have it at all the markets.
Okay.
All the markets. We have Bragg's liquid aminos. Big Y for sure, yeah.
Okay.
So
Absolutely.
coconut aminos are, I know they're good for you, but the flavor of like a soy sauce, right? People who take them, it's because it tastes like soy sauce.
It's gluten-free. It's got a really lovely, strong, salty flavor. It's not hugely salty. But I also like to add in a tiny bit of chili, a little bit of chili heat, little tiny bit, just the smallest amount, just a tiny little bit.
A little goes a long way with that.
A little goes a long way with that. And a little shichimi togarashi. Or you could use any pepper you like.
What did you just say?
Shichimi togarashi. It's a Japanese 7-spice blend. It's available in every Asian market.
You got yours at Adong's. Okay,
yes,
so this would be like, we have our own little seasonings, like seasoned salt or things that Americans use a lot.
Yes.
This is something that you just have, and anytime you want to cook Asian, it's something good to have in your cabinet.
American chefs have been using this regularly for about 30 years now.
Isn't that amazing? It's a spice.
It's like a pepper with orange and seaweed, and then you just whisk that up and add a little bit to the salad. Which is over here. Putting this back here. Just add a little bit in here.
It smells so good.
There's no oil in the salad. You don't need the oil with it because...
So super healthy.
It's super healthy. It's easy to make and has the most amazing scent. And then you just toss it up like that, and I just do this.
And it would stay crispy long. You were saying this is great if you're having people over. You can serve it like you made this beautiful plate. It can be a wonderful salad to entertain with.
You can pretty much put all the ingredients together, the herbs and the cabbage, and except for the cucumbers, pretty much all those ingredients together, and have the salad ingredients. Also, you can make up the salad dressing.
Yeah.
So at the last moment, you can put that out. For summertime, it's great. It's actually a really great introduction to Asian food for a lot of kids and everybody else as well.
All your radishes have stuck together.
It's very, very light, but like I said, once again, the aroma from it is just incredible. It's actually very quick and easy to make. These are simple things.
Delicious.
You know, it reminds me, if you go to like a Thai restaurant or a Vietnamese restaurant, you get those fresh spring rolls.
Yes, the summer rolls.
The summer rolls,
yes.
They're delicious. And it's like that in a salad.
Exactly, pretty much those are the ingredients.
Okay.
Tell us about beer nights real quick.
We're just going to do local breweries and have them come and do a beer night and pair up some food with it. And
is it going to be a certain night of the week, or?
We just actually started talking about it. I have a new chef coming up shortly.
Great.
And when he gets into place, then I'll know exactly what pairings we'll be able to do with them.
Excellent. Sounds good.
Great background
local
guy.
beers are big. So you can treat yourself out to a night out at the West Street Grill for beer night or any night. You'll find it right at 43 West Street in Litchfield. It's a wonderful place to go for just a meal or celebrate something special.
I celebrated a meal there after 20 towns in 20 days in Litchfield with James and Charles.
Go to weststreetgrill.com.
All right.